Julian. Julian. Julian, you put in the water? Whoa! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go, Julian. Go, Julian. Whoa. What happened? You need help? Yes? You need help? Okay. What do you need? What do you need? You want to turn around and go the other direction? Okay, here. Okay. Okay, we'll go this way. Let's go this way. This way. This way. This way. Okay. You're ready to go. That's brothers. Yeah, that's brothers. That's brothers. Oh, wow. Can you put that up? It's probably pretty big. That's probably not going to work, is it? You need help? Okay, come on over here and get some help. You want some help? Yes? Okay, here I come. Here I come. Let me see you. You want some help? Okay.